Hey guys, this is a lesson on how to do Google Classroom with all of the forms that we're sending for you guys to do your work. So step one, go ahead and open your assignment. It's going to bring you to this. And then you see this link right here that it tells you the work you need to do. You're going to go ahead and click that. It's going to bring you to another page, which is going to look like whatever the work is that we're sending you. Okay, so you're going to see your work. You're going to go ahead and you're going to answer, oops, I'm so sorry. You're going to answer all your questions. Okay, and then you're going to need to do another step for us. You're going to have to do your work, and then you're going to have to go turn it in. But in order to do that, you're going to have to double click. This is the important step to get back to the Google Classroom app. So you were using Chrome and you were filling out the form, but now you need to go back to your classroom, because when you go back to your classroom, you can do the final step, which is turn in. You need to give us all of your work so we know that you've submitted it all and that it's done, and now we can grade it. Otherwise, it's just hanging out there in the virtual space, and we want to be able to give you the credit you deserve for working really hard. So make sure that you share this with your parents if you're having a hard time, because we want you to be successful. Thanks for tuning in.